Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I used the Violets by Juvia's Place, and it comes with 6 different shades of purple. This one's a little more on the pink side, but it's still maybe lavender, I would say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. See you soon. Bye. First things first, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'll be going in with my e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I'm using the pencil side to kind of fill in my brows and draw them in the way that I want them to be shaped. I'm really glad that I bought my own brow shaver because I don't have to worry about looking crazy during this pandemic. I don't know about y'all, but it's cheaper to do your brows on your own at home. Now I'm going to highlight my brows with my juviasplace number 8 concealer. And I'll be using that to fill in my arch and to just clean up around the brow. I'm using my beauty blender to blend this all out so it can blend a little better when I put my foundation on. This is what the palette looks like up close. You can see all the different shades of purple in there. Before applying my base color, I'm going to be using my NYX HD Photogenic Concealer to prime my eyelids. As I've said in previous videos, this helps if you have a very colorful palette and you want those colors to come out really bright. For my base color, I'm going to go in with the darkest purple in the top right hand corner, and I'm going to place that over my entire eyelid. It's not as bright as I expected it to be, but this will work once I blend in all the other colors. I'm going in with the lighter solid color purple to blend in around my eye and a little bit in the crease of my eye. This gave it a more lavender purple look, which is what I was going for. I'm going back in with that NYX concealer to do my cut crease so I can apply my sparkle color or shimmer color, whichever one y'all want to call it. They all sparkle. For the shimmer, I'm going to use the more pinkish purple, which is in the center of the palette on the top row. And I'm going to use my finger to blend that one out. That way I can get the most pigment out of this shade. I've seen people use their finger pretty much for everything in the makeup, foundation included, and I always thought that was so messy, but what are the results? What do y'all think? Is there like a big major difference between doing it this way, or is it just a matter of preference? Just gonna blend this out a little bit, that way it fades into the darker purple. And adding in a little more of that base color will help to seal that up. For my inner eye, I'm going to be using the lighter lavender shimmer on the bottom left-hand corner. And then for the under eye, I'm using the royal purple that's in the top left corner. I'm gonna blend that in a little bit. It's time for some more eyeliner, guys. This thing was fading away as I was applying it. For the lashes today, I'm using Ardell's lashes, and it is the Wispies. And I'm gonna use the invisible side of the Duo eyelash glue. I initially wanted to use my magnetic lashes for this look today, but those things are probably the hardest thing to put on. If there's a trick, please let me know. Time for foundation. I'll be using my Almay Make Myself Clear in the color 900. And this is the one that I says looks like skin on your face. It blends really well, and it doesn't make you oily or dry your face out. So definitely give this one a try. For my contour today, I'm going to be using FentyBeauty's Matchstix, and I'm using Espresso and Suede. These are cream contour sticks, so they blend a little bit better with foundation than the powder. Blending it all out so there's no random spots. I've left the house one time with my contour still showing under my chin. Learned my lesson that day. I'm going to lightly bake with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. For my blush, I'm going to be using Olay and 7 from the Queen palette by FumixJuvias. I'm going to set the makeup with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. And then for the highlighter, using the same palette, I'm using FDV Approved. This one has become my favorite highlighter. Look how that glows in the light. That is beautiful. Y'all should definitely try using this highlighter from this palette. get y'all a close-up before I do my lips. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Undefeated. It's that gorgeous violet color purple. And I think it's one of my favorite out of the collection. I think for my next video, I think I'll do the chocolates palette and I'll combine that one with my Stunna Uncensored red lip. So let me know your thoughts on that one. I think it'll come out pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave any comments down below of ideas you'd like me to do in the future. Maybe how I did my hair. So let me know below and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.